Four Transnet executives handed themselves over to the Downs police station in Alberton on Monday morning. They are Brian Molefe, Siyabonga Gama, Thamsanqa Jiyane, and Anoj Singh.
Bail is granted and fixed as follows. Accused number 1 is to pay bail in a cash deposit amounting to 50,000 rand. Accused number 2, bail is fixed at a cash deposit of 50,000 rand. Accused number 3, bail is fixed at a cash deposit of 50,000 rand. And accused number 4, bail is fixed at a cash deposit of 50,000 rand.
The four face at least 18 charges, including fraud, corruption, and the contravention of the Companies Act. This was after they allegedly irregularly appointed a company that did not qualify to supply locomotives for Transnet and inflated the value of the contracts by billions of rands.
In respect of the acquisition of the 95 locomotives, Transnet paid an amount of 3.4 billion. And this amount exceeded the original approved contract by 231 million. That was the first contract. The second contract related to the 100 locomotives. Transnet paid an amount of 5.1 billion, which exceeded the original contract value by 348 million. In respect of the 1064 locomotives, and specifically the acquisition of the 369 locomotives, Transnet paid an amount approximately of 16 billion. So in essence, in terms of these three contracts, cumulatively, Transnet paid an amount in excess of 25 billion.
Of this, the state alleges that 5.18 billion rand was allegedly defrauded from Transnet. The accused are already out on bail on another Transnet-related case before the Johannesburg High Court. As such, they argued that the investigating directorate ought to have expanded the docket in that matter and not institute new court proceedings.
I should never have been arrested in relation to these charges. The second respondent could simply have moved an application for the amendment of the indictment by adding additional counts or charges against me and some of my co-accused. The conduct of the second respondent is an egregious abuse of power and court process and will not withstand the scrutiny of the principle of legality and rationality test.
The state, however, argues that the two matters are not related and warrant separate court proceedings.
My learned friends for accused number 1 and my learned friends for accused number 2 do not know the evidence that is going to be presented in this trial.
The matter has been postponed until the 6th of October for further investigation. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Juniour Khumalo at the Palm Ridge Specialized Commercial Crimes Court.